If you want to download Call of Duty Warzone on your PC or laptop, but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the official installation process step by step so you can get the game installed quickly and safely. Let's begin. Now open your browser and search for Call of Duty. Go to callofduty.com, hover over games, and select Warzone. All right, here's a critical warning. Always check for callofduty.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. Select the battle.net platform to download the installer setup file to your computer. Here's a quick heads up. Warzone is free to play, so you won't be charged anything. Open File Explorer, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to run the installer. This is the most important step, so don't skip it. Open the installed battle.net app and log in with your account, or register a new one if you don't have one. Here's a pro tip. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Go to the Games tab inside battle.net, select Call of Duty, Warzone, click Play for free, choose your install location, and click Start Install.